All right, hello everybody. Back at Russell's Rides here. The weather's broke, the humidity and temps down. We're going to be shooting some prime on this, and then right now I'm just doing a wax and grease remover wipe down, and then we'll tack it. Just got to go over the whole body. Get some more on the towel here. Didn't go with a epoxy primer. I'm going with a DTM primer. Is pretty much the same thing. And we're going to have to be checking the masking tape, it looks like, too. Let me get all my fingerprints off. Sweat and all that dirt that's been falling on it. Keep these holes plugged. I don't want that paint to get inside. All right, we all got it all wax and grease remover on it. Now we're just gonna go ahead and tack it all off too. See, still comes off. Just mixed up a pot of 4-to-1 ratio. I need to run in there real quick and check the temperature on the vehicle. I'm pretty sure it should still be the same as we've tacked it all off. Everything's about as good as it's going to get, I guess. 82 degrees is what the metal is at. 83, 84, 82, yep. So I've got a activator that's one step up, which gives you a longer time for it to cure out. So I'm not so rushed, being I'm not a professional, so I need a little bit of time. But anyhow, go in there and see what we can do. Ready to start shooting a little. We got the body painted, or not painted, we got it in primer, and got it all done all the way around. Managed to get the 2 doors. They're primed. These all have 2 coats on them. And I'll go into the tent here. I finished up the rest of the stuff. Turn the light on. Got these done. I've already done the bottoms on these here. Did the rear bumper, the front spoiler. It's done over there. And this is the front fascia, the grille. Looks like they turned out pretty decent. I noticed I got a few things to touch, little pits here and there, but that was really hard to do. That urethane, you got to get a urethane filler and whatnot, and of course then you got to scrape the dead stuff out of it, the rotten stuff, and try to fill it, and you're not dealing with something that's rigid either. It's all flexy, but it should be good. So that's pretty much it for the body. I got all the body in primer. Now we're going to start the process of blocking and more sanding. So thank you again for the subscribers, and hope everybody hits the like button for me, and we'll catch you next week.